Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here today to tell you very exciting news about our rebrand, which I hinted to on a video last week, but we can now talk about it. So exciting. We've been working incredibly hard at this over the course of the year really. We started in January and we've gone through a full rebrand. So that means everything from logos to fonts, to the style of how we kind of put material out there, and we've also had a rethink of what we want Sew Over It to be and how that's going to look over the next few years. So Sew Over It, when it was born, was very, very vintage inspired. I think that's that's always been something that's been inspiring to me, and that's been behind a lot of the initial kind of pattern designs. But as we've evolved over the years, the designs have become more contemporary, and whilst we still do vintage patterns and we will always do that kind of look, there's so much more. So we wanted to make sure that our branding reflected that. We also are working on doing a lot more beginner projects as well, so we wanted to make sure that our branding reflected that and was maybe a little bit more gender neutral, so that it wouldn't put off people that didn't want really feminine dresses. So the new logo is in black and white, and we will pop it in, or you will have seen it at the beginning of this video. So the idea behind that is that it's super fresh and modern, and it will allow all of the wonderful images of the projects and patterns to do the talking. We have redesigned our packaging, so you'll know that we did a big sale to get rid of some of our patterns in the old style, and what we've been doing over the past few months has been photographing. I have had so many photo shoots photographing every single pattern, or most of them, because they needed to kind of feel like they looked in the new format, ready to be designed and ready to go on the site, so that the imagery on the site was all the right kind of imagery. So this is the new pattern packaging, and I have to say these are actually, I'm filming this before we've actually got our hands on them, so I have just put these together myself. They weren't actually properly put together, but you can see that's what the new packaging is going to look like. And very excitingly, so our new printed pattern collection has got different patterns in it this time. It's not just all the vintagey things. There are some vintage patterns like the Betty dress, which you can see we've got a slightly different logo on the top there, just to indicate the fact that that's vintage. But we have also included in our collection some of the more contemporary ones as well. And I don't have them all here, but all of our printed collection now will come in sizes, two options. So you can buy sizes 6 to 20, or you can buy sizes 18 to 30. So that's a really big thing that we've been working on. And when you buy any of our patterns, whether they're printed or PDF, you'll see that the pattern itself has been changed into a new kind of fonts and things, and the logo, as have the printed and PDF pattern booklets. And actually all of the printed booklets now come with technical illustrations rather than the hand-drawn ones, so that they're all uniform really. And also for the printed patterns, we now have done them for PDF versions. So of course we've done it for our main collection, which is essentially the printed collection, but if you're buying them in the PDF format, you now have those in layers. So we've been asked to do this for a while, and it's a lot of work, but you basically can switch the layers on and off so you can print the right size. So yeah, that is the new branding on that. And of course, that I've talked first about the packaging, but the website has been completely done as well, and that's super, super exciting to see. Lovely and fresh. If you haven't been on our website, have a look at it, because it's a brand new website. We feel like it's so much more user friendly. It's got some much better search functions, so you can search by your patterns, by all sorts of different ways that you might want to. So whether it's the type of pattern, the level of pattern, that sort of thing, it's all on there. You can also you'll find that now our Stitch School is all on the same site. So our site consists of our pattern collection, our fabrics, and the Stitch School. It's all accessible on that one site now. Those of you who are members of Stitch School, we will have told you about that, so don't worry, you can still access it on the old site for a while, but we will be moving everyone over, so it's all on the new site, so it's just easy for everybody to find us in one place. So go and have a browse, have a look at all the extra things that we've added to the page. And I just want to say an enormous thank you to everyone on the Sew Over It team. We have all been working very, very hard to get this ready. So Catherine, our new brand and marketing director, and her team have been working really hard to make sure that all of the words and the content, the writing and the look of it has been right, and the whole website particularly has been done completely. I mean, that's been a massive job by itself. Obviously redesigning all the packaging as well, and then all the final details of Rosie and her production team of going through everything and making sure it's all changed over to this. So this has been the biggest thing that we have done ever in the history of the company. I think it's been a massive, massive project, bigger than our ebooks, bigger than anything that we've ever done. But it's been 10 years since we launched, and we really felt that we needed to give Sew Over It a new look, and I'm so pleased with it, and I absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. So go have a look, see what you can see, have a look at our packaging, have a look at our website, and obviously on our social media channels you'll also get an idea of more of the feel and flavour for it, and yeah, I'll see you really soon. Bye!